Hello, are you worried about using extended cross-sell module? Do not worry. Today's tutorial is how to use extended cross-sell module in the ShopBuilder plugin. So without further ado, let's get started. In the very beginning, we must need to install and activate the ShopBuilder plugin along with the ShopBuilder Pro. Go to the ShopBuilder settings and find module. According to it, active the extended cross-sell button and switch on this to enable and get some several settings options like product list, pop-up title, product source to specify which products you want to display, cross-sells, and etc., which depends totally on you. So select any one from these given options. Then for the applicable categories, you can select any one. Interestingly, you can choose and select multiple categories together. And if you further think you want to change your product source, you can do it easily. Next, you need to choose applicable products, what you want to display. Not only that, you can also set your pop-up delay into the milliseconds. After that, go to the template layout. Here you can choose any pop-up layouts. Along with the product limit, you can set your maximum number of products to display. It could be 3, 4, 6 or any one. Then save your changes and then let's go to visit the site. Here, this is our customization. Let's click on it to add to cart and here it is. Then let's click on proceed to checkout. It will bring you to the single product page and this is how it looks like. Here this is pop-up list product title. If you further think, you can change this title. For this, go to the settings again and from here you can customize it for your desired one. Then save it and again let's visit the page. Reload it first. And here this is the difference between before and after. And then let's click on continue shopping. And this is how you can add your products to the cart. Now let's go to the style settings options for our further customization. From here you can customize and set your button background color from this color picker. Not only that, if you want, you can also change your button color, border color, and etc. Let's save it first and let's see how the button color and the button background color look like. Here, this is the difference. In the next, you can also change and customize your button hover background color as well as button hover color from this color picker. Let's click on Save Changes and visit the page to see it. Here you can see our button hover background and button hover color have been already changed. If you further think you want to change your button hover color, then change it here. Save it, reload it first and see the difference. Let's click on Add to Cart. While adding this, you can see the changes. Then click on Proceed to Checkout. And here, this is your order details. And this is how you can incredibly use extended cross-sell module in the ShopBuilder plugin. Thank you for watching this video.